Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be just discussing a little about the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you want to know more in detail about the chart of gold, if you want to know what is going on, then please watch my previous video that I uploaded on Saturday. So let's get started. So as expected, we can see that US dollar is going up here, and if you want to know what is the correlation with the US dollar, then please watch the previous video. So you can easily see that as per our expectation, dollar is going up after the market opening on Monday, and as I have clearly mentioned on my previous videos that we have a resistance at this level, and you can see that market US dollar is almost about to reach the resistance level. So if US dollar reaches the resistance level, then there is a possibility that market may reverse from here. So if dollar starts going down or starts reversing from this particular level, then there is a good possibility that gold will be going up, because we all know that when dollar goes up, gold goes down, and when dollar goes down, gold goes up. And right now, as dollar has reached the particular resistance here, and there is a good possibility that after a couple of hours dollar will be struggling at the resistance, because this is a level of the sellers. Resistance means the place of the sellers where the concentration of sellers are higher. So keep your eyes on the chart of US dollar for the next couple of hours and just see. In case after a couple of hours, if you see a shooting star kind of a pattern, price rejection from below, or if you see a big fat red candle on the USD chart, the chart of DXY, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, dollar is about to reverse, dollar is facing selling pressure from above, and you can go long. Means you can buy. What you can buy gold. Yes, this is the chart of gold here, and you can see that uh, as I have clearly mentioned on a previous video, that don't buy or sell until and unless you get any proper direction about the functioning of the market. And you can see that still we do not have any clarification about the gold USD. Therefore, let the dollar reverse from the resistance, then you'll get a good opportunity to buy. And if you buy, then your next target on gold will be 1808 level, because 1808 level is the new resistance for the gold. Okay, and on the other hand, if dollar starts going up from here, if you find US dollar DXY going up from here, crosses the resistance, then don't do anything. Okay, don't do anything, just wait for a couple of hours, wait for 4 to 6 hours, and just see how the price is doing, how the price is reacting near the resistance. If you see that US dollar is crossing this level, if you find US dollar crossing this level, trading above this level comfortably for a couple of hours, 4 to 6 hours, then you'll get the confirmation that this resistance is no longer valid, and this will be the new support. And then obviously you'll see some selling, on the chart of gold. Then you can short the market, because if dollar breaks the resistance and starts going up, definitely there will be selling on the chart of gold, and then you can go for sale. But till then, wait for the perfect opportunity. Just keep your eyes on the chart of US dollar. That's it. So this is it. Hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow again with a detailed analysis. Bye bye.